Sanbonani dumelang Mshini machoroni molweni ndaro loja ukhanda salam alaikum salam. Welcome to Celebrity Life from Mzansi. If it is your first time, I don't know what are you waiting for. Do the right thing, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any update whatsoever. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much. Ndiyakuthanda sana ndiyakuthanda guysini. Without any waste of time ngoba idata iyadura, let's just take a look at some of the trending topics today. Question is, who made it into the calabash of life, the calabash of gossip? If you haven't made it, if your name hasn't made it into this calabash, it means ukuthi uyabora. Nyadlala. The bigger question is, who gave us something to talk about? Let's look. Kumnandimus Azania. Yo, South Kumnandi. Ooh, okay. So, we are going to talk about the oak that plays the cop in Makt on Netflix is a brilliant actor. Now, those are the words of none other than the one and only Anele Mdoda. And who was he talking about when he was talking about the oak? He was referring to none other than Mduduzi Mabaso. Now, the compliment was such, I don't know, it was so beautiful, you know, I mean, to literally hear another artist complimenting another artist of their work, it's something else. Like, it is something else. However, a lot of people went like, Anele, like, why are you saying Mduduzi is an oak? Are you saying that you don't know that that oak is the Mduduzi Mabaso? Kuningi san, kuningi. Nina, you always have something to say. You guys, you always have something to say. So now our very own Anele Mdoda, you know what? She got a backlash after that innocent compliment. A lot of people were saying, we're talking about Mduduzi Mabaso here. We are talking about someone who has been in the industry for decades, from the likes of Rhythm City to House of Zwide to Queendom to now Marked on Netflix and many more. And this is someone who has always been so consistent in his craft. Yo, hi. So Mina, I am saying, guys, there's always foresight to a story, or even 10. So we don't know that particular oak, whether it was coming from. Sometimes, man, you know how people can talk. You can call, even if you know that this is Mduduzi Mabaso, probably you know them on a personal level. You can only you understand this character. So we don't know Guti when she said Oga, she was. We are not sure of the tone. We are not sure of the tone. However, guys, if you haven't watched Marked on Netflix, do so, because wow, it is so beautiful and it has so many talented actors. We're talking Abularatum Velas, guys. Go watch it. Hey, ha. Anyway, so we are still talking everything trending right now in South Africa. Ooh, Lasizwe. Right, so guys, we all know that the beef between Lasizwe and Hlubi it did not start yesterday, right? So now the two are legends in the YouTube space in South Africa. They are doing very, very well. So now Hlubi says to Lasizwe, hey Lasizwe, I am the king of YouTube. And Lasizwe is like, child, are you talking to me, or is there any other Lasizwe that we don't know of? Because no, there's absolutely no way that Hlubi, you yourself are comparing yourself to moi as the Lasizwe, the one and only, like, to such an extent that Lasizwe's respond, he even made a chessboard with, who's this? With Ghost Hlubi's head screaming, you understand, just being afraid. So I just love the backlash between the two. However, they are doing amazing things on YouTube. They are an inspiration at that. We should just give it to them. So both of you guys are kings. Kodwa ke uLasizwe has been in the industry. So nje on the table, uLasizwe has been in the industry and he keeps on saving us different content, and like you just get clued watching his content. He is good at what he does. And Ghost Hlubi, you are very good in your own way. So yeah, the kings are at it. But I love it. It's a healthy competition. I love it. I love it. It's a competition of growth. Are you following me? You better be following, because of wow, I cannot be bringing you umgosi and then the next thing when you do not do the right thing. Ayisebenzi kanjalo sana. Right, so Emtee and Mshini. Right. So lately, Emtee and Mshini saga has been topping trends. But today, Emtee released an official statement apology to Mshini. Right. So what happened, for those of you who don't know, let me just summarize for 1 minute. So now, the wife of Emtee leaked ama DMs, Instagram DMs ka Emtee. So Emtee seems like he's been talking to other ladies out there, and then guess who's also in that list of ladies that Emtee has been talking or conversing to? It's none other than the one and only Mshini Likwatu. We are talking former BB Mzansi housemate, the beautiful Mshini. Now people started going, Mshini, when I know Emtee ganti nilani la kumnandi. And she was like, no, nothing is going on between me and Emtee. You understand? And then Emtee went on to release a minor chat between him and Mshini. Now, Mshini is like, Emtee, even the part that you had released, it's not good enough because of that. Actually, that part is what makes people speculate, because we saw Mshini saying to Emtee, come to my house, blah, 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 blah. Now, who's this? Mshini was like, can you please release the entire conversation so that people can see that when I am talking to you, I am talking business, nothing else. Right, nothing else. I am talking music. Right. So now, guys, Emtee has released a statement apologizing also to Mshini for the delay also, and for how she was portrayed in the last couple of days. You understand that? Because we all know Emtee is married, so we don't want people to be called Amahum Rekantontoni. You understand that? So Emtee has apologized sincerely to Mshini for such an embarrassment caused by the wife. Guys, do you feel me? Do you get me? Let me just remind you that we upload every day, Monday to Friday, rather, at 2:30 as well as 5:30. So make sure that you do not miss out. Guys, give this video a like and do tell me in the comment section what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Most importantly, let's talk about those of you who went to Z Nation. Tell us of your experience, because hey, I saw that people had different reviews or experiences about Z Nation. So for those of you who went to Z Nation, do tell us what went down. From me to you, Sana, Gyantanda, Gyantanda, Gyantanda.